At a precise moment of engagement, the point of contact between tooth flanks matches the point of contact between pitch curves. From this starting point, let's roll the gears, focusing your attention on the bottom gear. The red point of contact between the pitch curves travels along the curve as the green point of contact follows the tooth flank. These 2 points are related. The line joining them at all times forms an angle with the pitch curve tangent. This angle is called the pressure angle. The line also forms a right angle with the tooth flank tangent, as required by involutes. Typically, gear pressure angles are a constant value between 15 and 35 degrees. Gearify uses 20 as the default. A larger pressure angle flattens the slant of the teeth and often behaves better in tight interior corners, producing less truncated teeth. If teeth are trimmed too much in step 4, return to step 3 and try increasing your pressure angle, as you may get better results. Like all variable curves, you can vary the pressure angle continuously to find values that are locally optimal. The pressure angle will at all times be sampled from the variable curve at the point of contact between the pitch curves. Since this is a shared attribute, that value will be consistent for all gears.